C'est juste totalement fou. Voilà, j'ai décidé, et pour la fin de mon tour du monde, et pour mon anniversaire qui approche, de m'offrir un safari de 3 jours. Et là, je viens d'arriver dans le premier lodge où je vais rester. Et c'est un truc de fou. Je peux vous montrer derrière moi. J'aurais jamais pensé un jour pouvoir rester là-dedans, dans un endroit pareil. Là, je suis juste en pleine savane. Genre, c'est trop ouf. Mais j'ai pas de mots. J'ai pas de mots.
Et pour ces 3 jours de safari, je vais être accompagnée par Walter, guide kényan anglophone, qui va m'apprendre beaucoup de choses sur les animaux de la savane.
So we have some animals which are called the big five animals. They're called the big five animals because they have behavior or characteristics like man. One of them is buffalo. We have rhino or rhinoceros. We have elephant. We have a lion. We have leopard.
C'est parti pour tenter d'observer les Big Five en commençant par le fameux parc d'Amboseli. Situé au sud du pays, Amboseli est très connu car c'est le parc qui est au pied du Kilimandjaro, la plus haute montagne d'Afrique avec ses 5892 mètres. Très rapidement, je vois mon premier Big Five, l'éléphant d'Afrique. Nous nous approchons tout en faisant attention, car les éléphants peuvent charger pour se défendre.
Boom! So that one is a male one. In front of us.
Yeah? How can you tell it's a male?
The male. First of all, the male ones, they like walking on their own.
Okay.
Yeah. They don't like being in groups.
Yeah. Oh my god. He's so close.
About 7 meters high.
How much?
About 7 meters high.
Wow. 7 meters. Do they eat meat?
No.
No, they never kill any animals.
No. But the small animals,
Yeah.
small animals, yeah, they eat. Yeah. An elephant can live up to 70 years. Can drink up to 200 liters when it is thirsty. And the trunk of the elephant is used in so many ways. You can use it for bathing. When it's on the river, on the water, it takes the water. It's used for romance also. You can see some 2 elephants doing their thing with the trunk. That is one of the use. Also, it also uses it to protect. It takes the mud and then it throws on the back. Then the mud protects the skin from the insect bites.
Nous continuons notre route, mais après quelques minutes, la boue a raison de nous et nous oblige à faire demi-tour. Une bonne mésaventure, car au final, en repassant sur la route que l'on vient de prendre, on tombe nez à nez avec des petites merveilles.
So many babies.
Very good, very good. The female goes hunting, brings food to the male eats with the kids, then after the female will eat. So the male lion, it is very lazy. It can spend about 15 to 20 hours just resting. So that's why also it does not, it's very weak, and then it cannot go for such long distance. Can you take a selfie?
Oh, God.
The big boss.
Are you afraid? Because I'm not closing my window.
Of course.
Nous reprenons la route, le safari continue plus au sud du pays, dans le parc de Tsavo.
Little Pumbaa.
Very shy, very timid.
Oh yeah?
They run with the tail up. Chup, 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 chup.
That's so cute. Oh, that's so cute.
The tongue is 50 centimeters. Then it likes to eat very pricky horns. That's the food of the giraffe. So when it eats, there is a substance, a very soft substance in the tongue that makes it not to be bitten by the thorn. So they don't like other plants. They just like, mostly it's called the acacia trees.
So how can you tell it's a male?
You see the two corns on the head?
Mm-hmm.
On the top of them, like that one, there's no hair. So if they have hair, that is female. We have, if you see the zebra, we have black and white stripes. So many people confuse and they ask themselves, is it white with black stripes or black with the other way around? Actually, zebra is black. It has been, scientists have discovered that zebras are black because when the embryo is in the stomach, the embryo is totally black. So with the time when the baby is about to be born, the embryo starts to develop the melanin, the lack of color. So by the time it gets born, we'll have white and black stripes.
Et voilà, mon safari au Kenya se termine dans un nouveau superbe lodge. J'avais aucune idée de ce qui allait se passer et vraiment j'ai été émerveillée par tous les animaux et toute la nature qu'on a pu découvrir. C'était vraiment un rêve depuis très longtemps et je sais déjà que je vais devoir retourner en Afrique pour pouvoir observer à nouveau des animaux. Avant de terminer ce petit reportage, je vous propose un petit bonus, ma visite dans un village Maasai, une petite préface de l'immersion que je vais faire dans le prochain pays, la Tanzanie. Je vais pour la première fois à la rencontre des Maasai, cette tribu emblématique du Kenya et de la Tanzanie qui m'invite dans leur village. Après ces danses et ces prières, je découvre l'intérieur même de leur village.
You see the village, it normally has two fences. We have the inner fence, like this one, and we have the outer fence. The outer fence is to protect the whole village against wild animals. Mm-hmm. These are lion, hyenas, and the jackals. But the inner fence, this is the corridor for the young children to play in the night. So we want to secure them from the cows. So at the middle, that's the place where cows spend their night.
Okay.
Also, inside of it, we have small pens. This is for sheep and goats. The house, I told you this is a duty of women. But not one woman can build the house. They do like a teamwork. We have small windows, this one, for ventilation of good air and a smoke outside. So welcome. Oh, sorry, there's some smoke.
Oh, that's fine.
This is the bed for Papa and Mama.
Okay.
So this is the place where they sleep. This is the mattress that I was telling you. This is the kitchen for cooking. We just create each other super Ipa.
Super Ipa.
So when I say to you super, you respond Ipa. If you tell me super, then I respond
Ipa.
Super Ipa.
Okay.
Thank you very much. It's Ashe Oleng.
Ashe Ole.
Ashe Oleng.
Ashe Ole.
Yes, Ashe Oleng.
We need fire for cooking, warming ourselves, and also for protection. So now we are going to show you practically how we make fire.
This is the drop of fire that we normally light up.
Wow. This is how you take my number. 6, 23,
23,
49,
49,
06.
06. Wonderful.